Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, in this episode, I will be handling common errors in Excel. So I'll be handling all those errors you see in Excel. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like and share. So let's dive into it. So this is where some common errors that have come along with during my Excel during my work, carrying out my work using Excel. So the first error I've come along with this one here, the day divided by 0. So this error means that you are dividing your one of the cells you are using as like is empty or there has a 0. So Excel will bring you this. So if we have to see like this, in my case scenario, we have to see say dividing uh, B, B5 with B2, and as you can see that B2 is empty. So see if you find your work having this, please check and you notice that there's something that's the cell, one of the cell we are referring to is empty. So to correct this, you need to edit this one. Say, whereas in our case, I'll come to go to A to A5. A5. So now it has solved it and it's working properly. So the next error that is very common in Excel is this rate. With rate is when you are referring to a cell that the content has been deleted, like the data you maybe accidentally deleted the data, something. So you need to check and edit them. So like for this one here, uh, the other reference that the other cell that you are referring to is not there, so it cannot find it, so it bring you right. So you edit it by putting a new cell that is there. That's how you can. So you say, let's say B5 and enter. Yeah, now we have solved that one. So we have fixed that error. We'll come to this one name. With name, it's mostly when you did a mistake when writing the formula. The formula is missing something, so the Excel workbook cannot recognize that formula. So you bring your name, and to edit that, you need to check your formula bar. Yeah, this is the formula bar. You check from here and you see that I should have written some, but I read two. So it's missing a name. Let me edit it and we see if it will work now. Now it's working. Then you have this the node. This is also common mistake in Excel, and it's when you are missing something in the formula. You are writing, maybe when you are writing the formula, you miss out something that's you should have added, maybe like a comma or something. So like in this case, let's say let's put a comma and see if it work now. Now it does work. So guys, those are the common mistakes that have come along. If you have come along with others that I might not have noticed and during the course of during the time of recording this video, please write in the comment and then I will work on it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, share, like, and looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.